What's up, YouTube? It's 2020. Zanrith coming back at you with a new video. Got Heather riding with me today. We're going to take a nice picture of her. Check her out on Instagram, Heather at MotoGirl. The link will be in the description below for her. So last year, I came through and gave you guys a video for the stock exhaust on the ZX-6R. This year, I put an Akrapovic. I've heard everyone pronounce it different ways. Someone correct me in the comments below, but I'm going to call it an Akrapovic. So, last time, started it up, let it light a little bit, revved it up for you guys. Got the same camera today as last time, same microphone. I'm judging the distance, assuming it's close enough, but let's listen to it. If you guys want to hear what the stock sounds like, it's going to be in the description as well. And you'll probably see it in a little tile after this video. Don't judge the bike, it's a little dirty. We just went for a ride. So, here it is. 2019 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R 636 with an Akrapovic exhaust. So first thing I'm going to do is, it's warmed up, good. Put it in neutral. Open this up so you guys can hear it more and I don't die of heat stroke. Okay, there she is. The first thing I noticed about it is it's not overly loud. Like you hear guys running around the street sometimes and they're just, whining. This has a nice grunt to it, but it's not super loud, in my opinion. But anyways, this is it idling. I'm going to shut up so you guys can hear it. It's not bad, a little deeper. So let's start revving it up a little bit. We're just going to get up to about 6,000. Okay, maybe 7. 6-ish. Okay. I like it, sounds nice. Okay, so let's get it up a little higher. We're gonna rip it a little bit here. Sorry, neighbors. But we're at Kmart that's closed, so there are no neighbors. Oh, man. So that was 10,000 and about red line. I think I hit about 15, which I think it red lines at 16. But that is the bike. I'm gonna let it idle here for a bit. I'll play back the noise through the camera as I did last time. We'll just let it idle. It's definitely got more of a grunt to it, deeper sound, and I really like it. I didn't go with a Cat Delete, I just went with a slip-on. I will put the actual model number below in case you guys are interested. There's a couple different options you can get with it. There's one that eliminates the servo, which is what mine did, so you'll have to buy a servo buddy. That'll be in the link below. Just give you guys everything you can. Yeah, I guess that's really about it. I mean, I love it. It sounds nice. It's not overly loud. It looks good, nice carbon fiber. And it fits with the black of the bike, unlike that big silver can. So, what are you looking at, Heather?
Just making sure no cops are coming.
Oh, cops aren't going to come for this. We're fine. Oh, my Lord. So Heather is, she's a good girl. Very straight arrow over there. She's looking at it. All right. Well, YouTube, we're going to sign off here. go for a ride, take a couple pictures of her cool bike. And if you guys need anything else, have any questions, comments, throw them down there. I'll answer them as best I can. If you guys want to see something else on my bike or anything on Heather's bike, you know what to do. Ask us and we will try to get you pictures, videos, audio descriptions, sketches, stickers, anything we can. All right, YouTube. Well, we will catch you later. Have a good one. Ride safe.